It's just a couple minutes before 10 p.m. on the 24th of February. So let's get to MoleHill news. Um, this is nowhere near financial advice. It's not even. It's supposedly educational, but it's probably mostly entertainment. Um, so don't take anything here seriously. But let's look at some numbers and forecasts for some stuff, and a couple news stories as usual. Bitcoin. Oh look, it's over 50. It was just a little under when I set all this up earlier, but it's still down 1.4 on the day. Ethereum 1.6, down 1.7 on the day. Binance Coin 249, just up a hair on 0.39, but it's up almost 50% on the week, so good for BNB. Tether's coming in at fourth. Cardano's hanging in at 1.04. I think that's exactly where it was. No, something like that. It's at 3.93 on the 24 though. Polkadot 33.88. It's down 4.72. XRP's at 47 cents, down 3 and 3.4%. Litecoin 180, down 1.1%. Chainlink 27.55, down 0.88%. And Bitcoin Cash 537, down 1.1%. All right, let's look at the fastest movers. Phantom up 37%. LSK up 24%. Stacks up 23. Engine Coin up 13.13. I think, is Engine the one I'm thinking of? Icon Doge has been on this list for a while, still at 5.6. All right. Engine's a pretty cool coin. Damn, I should have bought into it before it jumped up. All right. All right. All right. So yeah, how long ago did we talk? 10 hours ago. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it almost did nothing in that time. But if you just move straight across, the biggest change. Oh, my mouse just died. Hold on. Stupid wireless shit. All right. The wireless, yeah. The biggest change we had today was a 5% increase over a 2.5 hour period. Let's see. Right now, the price is just trying to bounce out of a support cloud, right there at the 50K marker. That's where we've been hanging out for the entire day or so. Let's look at a little bit more detailed cloud here. Conversion line and baseline are like looking well. First off, conversion line is below baseline. We don't like to see that. Usually, that's a downward signal, but conversion line is pointed upward, like it's going to cross back over. So we'll see. Looks like the price is trading. Well, the lagging indicator is going straight up, and the support is widening. So, yeah, it could be bouncing off the support right now. And let's see. This mouse totally sucks when it's plugged into USB. Yeah, it's still coiled up pretty tight, and the EMAs are starting to correct, but they're pretty coiled, so they could kind of go either way at this particular time, but we'll see. Okay, so let's come back at the end of the show. A whale alert. 2010 coins, like coins from 2010, moved for the first time in 11 years. 100 coins. There's only, where was it? There's an interesting statistic somewhere in here. Only 18 transactions this year involving coins mined before 2010, or 2010 and earlier. That's not a lot. One of Satoshi's friends is trying to sell some stuff. All right, just wanted to point it out. Okay, well, I guess all the electronic funds transfers went down sometime today. The ACH service went down for at least 2 hours, and all of the internet banking shit was, I guess, down at the time. It didn't affect me. I didn't try to do anything at the time. And while that is happening, the systems built on top of it, like Visa and MasterCard, totally not monopolies, are getting ready to increase their fees. Which is funny because isn't that like collusion if like both of the monopoly if the two people that like totally don't represent monopoly both happen to raise their fees at the same time, almost like their executives make sure not to do it one without the other. That's fucking weird. I'd rather fuck with the Wild West than that collusionary bullshit. Take that East Coast old school bullshit and fuck off. All right. Anyway, just saying, look, you're raising your fees, your networks are crashing, like, and you're pointing the finger at crypto for being unstable. Like, yeah, sure, dude. Print more fiat, you fucking idiots. Anyway, moving on. Tokenization of assets is not taking off, but it really should. I actually clicked on this article to bitch about something else. I read this whole thing and I didn't mention Ravencoin. Sorry, I didn't mention Ravencoin once. Ravencoin does do this. I think they actually just rolled it out like just a couple months ago, which is why the price of Ravencoin has been so upward for a while there. I mean, they mentioned ERC20 on the most congested network in the fucking world. So, like, yeah, sure, you could totally build an Ethereum coin and pay $20 for every transaction right now. I guess the alternative is Cardano's literally just rolling out their system like that. And you could get on Tron if you want to be in a centralized ecosystem if there's some creepy kid. But yeah, there's Ravencoin, not mentioned once, even though it's a killer project that absolutely nails this user case that they're bitching about the lack of. So way to do your research there, Cointelegraph. And then Nvidia estimates that miners contributed 2 to 6% of their quarter four revenue. So like, I gotta call them out on this, cause like, how the fuck does this line up with the whole thing about the CMP chips and the 3060 getting nerfed, right? So you're like, oh, well, miners are like contributing to the problem so bad that we gotta nerf the 3060 so they won't want to use it, but they only fucking bought 2% of our shit. I don't understand that. You mean 98% of your cards went to gamers, and you still have to take extreme steps to fucking, hamstring miners? I don't know about that, dude. This shit doesn't add up. So, I don't know. I just want to throw it out there that these corporate people don't even know how to fucking keep the lie straight for like a week. But that's cool. Nvidia sucks. Everyone knows that, but I'll buy their cards and mine Ethereum with them anyway. Maybe not the 3060s. Like, okay, great. I'll just fucking whatever. We'll see. I'm just probably gonna buy 3060s and put them on Ravencoin, which is like the network I like the most right now anyway. Anyway. So, yeah, good job. They're gonna totally shake the miners off of Ethereum, which is gonna go to PO2, or sorry, Ethereum 2 POW, POS, I should say. So you've like solved the problem that is about to solve itself in a few months anyway. Like, slow clap, Nvidia, slow clap. Okay, let's check that cloud again and see how we worked out. So we bounced out a little bit, and the support stayed pretty solid. Let's take a look at if anything happened with the conversion lines. Well, I'm not going to run this show any longer, but it looks like that conversion line is going to try to crash through, so that's good. We do have a little bit of a down price on this next candle at the moment, but, we shall see, but not for you. I'll talk to you in the morning. Goodbye. Fucking mouse.